Question number 1300. In this video, we will cover from question number 1301. Let's begin. Question number 1301. Who was the first Indian woman in space? A. Sunita Williams. B. Kalpana Chawla. C. Bakendri Pal. D. Arunima Sinha. Answer is B. Kalpana Chawla. Question number 1302. Who was the first Indian to win Booker Prize? A. Arundhati Roy. B. Kiran Desai. C. Salman Rushdie. Vikram Seth. Answer is A. Arundhati Roy. Question number 1303. Who was the first Indian to win Miss World title? A. Aishwarya Rai. B. Veda Faria. C. Priyanka Chopra. D. Sushmita Sen. Answer is B. Veda Faria. Question number 1304. Who was the first Indian to win Miss Universe title? A. Aishwarya Rai. B. Sushmita Sen. C. Priyanka Chopra. D. Lara Datta. Answer is B. Sushmita Sen. Question number 1305. Who was the first Indian woman to win Olympic medal? A. Purnam Maleshwari. B. P.D. Usha. C. Mary Kom. D. Shakshi Malik. Answers A. Purnam Maleshwari. Question number 1306. Who was the first Indian to win individual Olympic gold medal? A. Abhinav Bindra. B. Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore. C. Leander Paes. D. P.V. Sindhu. Answer is A. Abhinav Bindra. Question number 1307. Who was the first Indian to win Wimbledon title? A. Vijay Amritraj. B. Leander Paes. C. Mahesh Bhupathi. D. Ramanathan Krishnan. Answer is B. Leander Paes. Question number 1308. Who was the first Indian to win Nobel Prize in Economics? A. Amartya Sen. D. Abhijit Banerjee. C. Jagdish Bhagwati. D. Raghuram Rajan. Answer is A. Amartya Sen. Question number 1309. Who was the second Indian to win Nobel Prize in Economics? A. Amartya Sen. B. Abhijit Banerjee. C. C.V. Raman. D. Rabindranath Tagore. Answer is B. Abhijit Banerjee. Question number 1310. Who was the first Indian to win Nobel Prize in Physics? A. C.V. Raman. B. S. Chandrasekhar. C. Hargobind Khurana. D. Venkat Ramakrishnan. Answer is A. C.V. Raman. Question number 1311. Who was the second Indian to win Nobel Prize in Physics? A. S. Chandrasekhar. B. Venkata Ramakrishnan. C. C.V. Raman. D. Hargobind Khurana. Answer is A. S. Chandrasekhar. Question number 1312. Who was the third Indian origin Nobel laureate in Physics 2009? A. Venkat Ramakrishnan. B. S. Chandrasekhar. C. C.V. Raman. D. Amartya Sen. Answer is A. Venkat Ramakrishnan. Answer is A. Venkat Ramakrishnan. Question number 1313. Who was the first Indian Nobel laureate in medicine? A. Hargobind Khurana. B. Venkat Ramakrishnan. C. Amartya Sen. D. Kailash Satyarthi. Answers A. Har Gobind Khurana. Question number 13-14. Who won Nobel Peace Prize from India in 2014? A. Amartya Sen. B. Malala Yousafzai. C. Kailash Satyarthi. D. Mother Teresa. Answer C. Kailash Satyarthi. Question number 1315. Who was the first Indian woman to win Nobel Prize? A. Sarojini Naidu. B. Mother Teresa. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Kalpana Chawla. Answer is B. Mother Teresa. Question number 1316. Question number 1316. Who was the first Indian woman to win Booker Prize? A. Arundhati Roy. B. Kiran Desai. C. Jhampa Lahiri. D. Anita Desai. Answer is A. Arundhati Roy. Question number 1317. Who was the second Indian woman to win Booker Prize? A. Kiran Desai. B. Jhampa Lahiri. C. Arundhati Roy. D. Anita Desai. Answer is A. Kiran Desai. Question number 1318. Who was the third Indian origin writer to win Booker Prize 2008? A. Salman Rushdie. B. Arvind Adiga. C. Arundhati Roy. D. Vikram Seth. Answer B. Arvind Adiga. Question number 1319. Who was the first Indian Miss Universe? A. Lara Dutta. B. Aishwarya Rai. C. Sushmita Sen. D. Priyanka Chopra. Answer C. Sushmita Sen. Question number 1320. Who was the second Indian Miss Universe? A. Lara Dutta. B. Aishwarya Rai. C. Sushmita Sen. D. Priyanka Chopra. Answer is A. Lara Dutta. Question number 1321. Question number 1321. Who was the third Indian Miss Universe? A. Harnas Sandhu. B. Sushmita Sen. C. Aishwarya Rai. D. Manushi Chiller. Answer is A. Harnas Sandhu. Question number 1322. Who was the first Indian Miss World? A. Aishwarya Rai. B. Veda Faria. C. Priyanka Chopra. D. Manushi Chiller. Answer is B. Veda Faria. Question number 1323. Who was the second Indian Miss World? A. Aishwarya Rai. B. Veda Faria. C. Priyanka Chopra. D. Manushi Chiller. Answer is A. Aishwarya Rai. Question number 1324. Who was the third Indian Miss World? A. Priyanka Chopra. B. Veda Faria. C. Aishwarya Rai. D. Manushi Chiller. Answer is A. Priyanka Chopra. Question number 1325. Who was the fourth Indian Miss World? A. Manushi Chiller. B. Aishwarya Rai. C. Priyanka Chopra. D. Veda Faria. Answer is A. Manushi Chiller. Question number 1326. Who was the first Indian to climb Mount Everest? A. Bakendri Pal. B. Edmund Hillary. C. Tenzing Norgay with Hillary. D. Santosh Yadav. Answer is C. Tenzing Norgay with Hillary. Question number 1327. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? A. Santosh Yadav. B. Bakendri Pal. C. Arunima Sinha, D. Premlata Agrawal, answer is B. Bakindri Pal. Question number 1328. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Everest twice? A. Santosh Yadav, B. Bakindri Pal, C. Arunima Sinha, D. Premlata Agrawal, answer is A. Santosh Yadav. Question number 1329. Who was the first Indian amputee to climb Mount Everest? A. Premlata Agrawal, B. Santosh Yadav, C. Arunima Sinha, D. Bakindri Pal, answer C. Arunima Sinha. Question number 1330. Who was the first Indian woman to climb the 7 summits? A. Premlata Agrawal, B. Santosh Yadav, C. Arunima Sinha, D. Bakindri Pal, answer is A. Premlata Agrawal. Question number 1331. Who was the first Indian woman boxer to win Olympic medal? A. PV Sindhu, B. Mary Kom, C. Sakshi Malik, D. Karnam Malleshwari, answer is B. Mary Kom. Question number 1332. Who was the first Indian wrestler to win Olympic medal? A. Sushil Kumar, D. Yogeshwar Dutt, C. Sakshi Malik, D. K.D. Jadhav, answer is D. K.D. Jadhav. Question number 1333. Who was the first Indian woman wrestler to win Olympic medal? A. Sakshi Malik, B. Geeta Phogat, C. Babita Phogat, D. Dinesh Phogat, answer is A. Sakshi Malik. Question number 1334. Who was the first Indian shuttler to win Olympic medal? A. PV Sindhu, B. Saina Nehwal, C. Kidambi Srikanth, D. Prakash Padukone, answer is B. Saina Nehwal. Question number 1335. Who was the first Indian shuttler to win Olympic silver medal? A. PV Sindhu, B. Saina Nehwal, C. Kidambi Srikanth, D. Prakash Padukone, answer is A. PV Sindhu. Question number 1336. Who was the first Indian to win Olympic medal in tennis? A. Leandro Paes, B. Mahesh Bhupti, C. Vijay Amritraj, D. Sania Mirza, answer is A. Leander Paes. Question number 3. Answer is A. Leander Paes. Question number 1337. Who was the first Indian gymnast to qualify for Olympics? A. Edita Karmakar, B. Ashish Kumar, C. Deepa Malik, D. Yogeshwar Dutt, answer is A. Deepa Karmakar. Question answer is A. Deepa Karmakar. Question number 1338. Paralympian to win medal. Who was the first Indian Paralympian to win medal? A. Deepa Malik, B. Devendra Jajaria, C. Mariappan Sangadalu, answer is D. Murlikant Petkar, answer is D. Murlikant Petkar. Question number 1339. Who was the first Indian woman Paralympian to win medal? A. Deepa Malik, D. Davina Patel, C. Avani Lekhara, D. A.T. Usha, answer is A. Deepa Malik. Question number 1340. Who was the first Indian woman to win Paralympic gold medal? A. Deepa Malik, B. Davina Patel, C. Avani Lekhara, D. Mary Kom, answer C. Avani Lekhara. Question number 1341. Who was the first Indian to win Paralympic gold medal. A. Mariappan Thangavelu. B. Devendra Jajuria. C. Murlikant Petkar. D. Neeraj Chopra. Answer is C. Murlikant Petkar. Question number 1342. Who was the first Indian to win two Paralympic gold medals? A. Mariappan Thangavelu. B. Devendra Jajuria. C. Avani Lekara. D. Deepa Malik. Answer C. Devendra Jajuria. Answer B. Devendra Jajuria. Question number 1343. Who was the first Indian javelin thrower to win Olympic gold medal? A. Milkha Singh. B. Anju Bobby George. C. Neeraj Chopra. D. P.T. Usha. Answer C. Neeraj Chopra. Question number 1344. Who was the first Indian to win an Olympic medal in shooting? A. Abhinav Bindra. B. Rajavardhan Singh Rathore. C. Vardhan Narang. D. Vijay Kumar. Answer C. Rajavardhan Singh Rathore. Question 1345. Who was the first Indian shooter to win Olympic gold medal? A. Abhinav Bindra. B. Rajavardhan Singh Rathore. C. Gagan Narang. D. Vijay Kumar. Answer is A. Abhinav Bindra. Question 1346. Who was the first Indian woman shooter to win Olympic medal? A. Manu Bangdekar. B. Hima Sindhu. C. Anjali Bhagwat. D. None. Answers D. None. Not yet. Question number 1347. Who was the first Indian to win Olympic medal in weightlifting? A. Kannam Maleshwari. B. Mirabai Chanu. C. Satish Shivalingam. D. None. Answer is A. Kannam Maleshwari. Question number 1348. Who was the first Indian woman to win Olympic silver medal? A. Kannam Maleshwari. B. PV Sindhu. C. Saina Nehwal. D. Sakshi Malik. Answer is D. PV Sindhu. Question number 1349. Who was the first Indian woman to win Olympic bronze medal? A. Saina Nehwal. B. PV Sindhu. C. Sakshi Malik. D. Kannam Maleshwari. Answer is D. Kannam Maleshwari. Question number 1350. Question number 1350. Who was the first Indian athlete to win Olympic medal? A. Milkha Singh. B. P.T. Usha. C. K.D. Jadev. D. Norman Pritchard. Answers D. Norman Pritchard. Question number 1351. Who was the first Indian woman to win Olympic medal in weightlifting? A. Kannam Maleshwari. B. Mirabai Chanu. C. Saina Nehwal. D. Sakshi Malik. Answers A. Kannam Maleshwari. Question number 1352. Who was the first Indian woman to win Olympic silver in weightlifting? A. Mirabai Chanu. B. Maleshwari. C. Sakshi Malik. D. PV Sindhu. Answer is A. Mirabai Chanu. Question number 1353. Who was the first Indian to win an Olympic medal in athletics? A. Norman Pritchard. B. Milkha Singh. C. P.T. Usha. D. Neeraj Chopra. Answer is A. Norman Pritchard. Question number 1354. Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal in athletics? A. P.T. Usha. B. Kamlalajit Sandhu. C. None yet. D. Anju Bobby George. Answer C. None yet. Question number 1355. Who was the first Indian to win Olympic medal in boxing? Vijender Singh C. Akhil Kumar D. Shiva Thapa. Answer is B. Vijender Singh. Question number 1356. Who was the first Indian woman to win Olympic medal in boxing? A. Mary Kom B. Sakshi Malik C. Nikat Zareen D. Lovlina Borgohain. Answer is A. Mary Kom. Question number 1357. Who was the second Indian woman to win Olympic medal in boxing? A. Nikat Zareen B. Sakshi Malik C. Lovlina Borgohain D. Mary Kom. Answer is C. Lovlina Borgohain. Question number 1358. Who was the first Indian to win Olympic medal in badminton? A. Prakash Padukone D. Saina Nehwal C. P.V. Sindhu D. Kidambi Shrikant. Answer is B. Saina Nehwal. Question number 1359. Who was the first Indian to win the two Olympic medals in badminton? In badminton, A. Saina Nehwal B. P.V. Sindhu C. Kidambi Shrikant D. Prakash Padukone. Answer is B. P.V. Sindhu. Question number 1360. Who was the first Indian woman to win Olympic medal in wrestling? A. Sakshi Malik B. Dinesh Phogat C. Geeta Phogat D. Babita Phogat. Answer is A. Sakshi Malik. Question number 1361. Who was the first Indian to win Olympic medal in wrestling? A. Sushil Kumar B. Yogeshwar Dutt C. K.D. Jadev D. Sakshi Malik. Answer C. K.D. Jadev. Question number 1362. Question number 1362. Who was the first Indian to win two Olympic medals in wrestling? A. Yogeshwar Dutt B. Sushil Kumar C. Bajrang Punia D. K.D. Jadev. Answer C. Sushil Kumar. Question number 1363. Who was the first Indian woman to win Olympic gold medal? A. P.V. Sindhu B. Mirabai Chanu C. None yet D. Kanam Maleshwari C. None yet. Question number 1364. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit China? A. Nehru B. Shastri C. Indira Gandhi D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer is A. Nehru. Question number 1365. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Pakistan? A. Nehru B. Shastri C. Indira Gandhi D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer is A. Nehru. Question number 1366. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit USA? A. Nehru B. Shastri C. Indira Gandhi D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer is A. Nehru. Question number 1367. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit USSR? A. Nehru B. Shastri C. Indira Gandhi D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer is A. Nehru. Question number 1368. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Japan? A. Nehru B. Shastri C. Indira Gandhi D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer is A. Nehru. Question number 1369. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit UK? A. Nehru B. Shastri C. Indira Gandhi D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer is A. Nehru. Question number 1370. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit France? A. Nehru. B. Shastri. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer is A. Nehru. Question number 1371. Question number 1371. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Germany? A. Nehru. B. Shastri. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer is A. Nehru. Question number 1372. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Israel? A. Nehru. B. Vajpayee. C. Modi. D. None. Answer is C. Modi. Question number 1373. Question number 1373. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Saudi Arabia? A. Nehru. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Manmohan Singh. D. Modi. Answer C. Indira Gandhi. Question number 1374. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit UAE? A. Nehru. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Modi. D. Manmohan Singh. Answer C. Indira Gandhi. Question number 1375. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Bhutan? A. Nehru. B. Shastri. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Nehru. Question number 1376. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Nepal? A. Nehru. B. Shastri. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer is A. Nehru. Question number 1377. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Sri Lanka? A. Nehru. B. Shastri. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer is A. Nehru. Question number 1378. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Afghanistan? A. Nehru. B. Shastri. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer is A. Nehru. Question number 1379. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Myanmar? A. Nehru. B. Shastri. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer is A. Nehru. Question number 1380. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Bangladesh? A. Nehru. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Shastri. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Indira Gandhi. Question number 1381. Question number 1381. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Maldives? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Rajiv Gandhi. C. Modi. D. Vajpayee. Answer is B. Rajiv Gandhi. Question number 1382. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Bhutan after its democracy? A. Vajpayee. B. Manmohan Singh. C. Modi. D. Nehru. Answer is C. Modi. Question number 1383. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to address U.S. Congress? A. Nehru. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Rajiv Gandhi. D. Vajpayee. Answer is D. Vajpayee. Question number 1384. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to address UN General Assembly? A. Nehru. B. Shastri. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer is A. Nehru. Question number 1385. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to address European Parliament? A. Vajpayee. B. Manmohan Singh. C. Modi. D. Nehru. Answer is C. Modi. Question number 1386. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to address Australian Parliament? A. Vajpayee. B. Manmohan Singh. C. Modi. D. Nehru. Answer C. Modi. Question number 1387. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Fiji? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Rajiv Gandhi. C. Modi. D. Vajpayee. Answer is B. Rajiv Gandhi. Question number 1388. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Mongolia? A. Nehru. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Modi. D. Vajpayee. Answer C. Modi. Question number 1359. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit South Korea? A. Nehru. B. Rajiv Gandhi. C. Modi. D. Vajpayee. Answer is B. Rajiv Gandhi. Question number 1390. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit North Korea? A. None. B. Vajpayee. C. Modi. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer is A. None. Question number 1391. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Vietnam? A. Nehru. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Vajpayee. D. Modi. Answer is A. Nehru. Question number 1392. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Laos? A. Nehru. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Vajpayee. D. Modi. Answer C. Vajpayee. Question number 1393. Question number 1393. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Cambodia? A. Nehru. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Vajpayee. D. Modi. Answer B. Indira Gandhi. Question number 1394. Was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit South Africa? A. Nehru. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Vajpayee. D. Mandela. Answer is B. Indira Gandhi. Question number 1395. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Nigeria? A. Nehru. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Vajpayee. D. Modi. Answer is B. Indira Gandhi. 1397. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Argentina? A. Nehru. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Vajpayee. D. Modi. Answer is D. Modi. Question number 1398. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Chile? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Nehru. C. Modi. D. Vajpayee. Answer is A. Indira Gandhi. Question number 1399. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Mexico? A. Nehru. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Modi. D. Vajpayee. Answer is B. Indira Gandhi. Question number 1400. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Cuba? A. Nehru. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Rajiv Gandhi. D. Vajpayee. Answer is B. Indira Gandhi. Completed till question number 1400. In the next video, we will cover from question number 1401. Till then, keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much to whoever is watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Always, always something go now. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you find my teaching helpful, do share it with your friends so that more people can learn. Okay, then bye.